Hello and welcome to Simple English Conversations. I'm your friendly teacher and I'm so happy you're here today. Learning to talk in English feels scary sometimes. But today we'll practice together in a safe and comfortable way. Don't worry about making mistakes right now. Every English speaker started exactly where you are today. You're doing great! Just listen, repeat, and have fun with me. By the end, you'll feel more confident about speaking English conversations. Speaking English is different from reading or writing. Real conversations happen fast, and people use simple, everyday words. When you can have basic conversations, everything changes. You can ask for help, make friends, and feel more comfortable. Conversation skills help you at work, school, and travel. You'll feel proud when you successfully talk with English speakers. The key is starting with simple phrases first. We'll learn the most useful words and sentences for real situations. Let's start with saying hello to people nicely. Hello and hi are the most common ways to greet someone new. Good morning is polite before lunchtime. Good afternoon works after lunch. Good evening is for later times.
How are you?
Is a friendly question. The usual answer is, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? This is polite. Nice to meet you is perfect for new people. They usually say, nice to meet you too, back to you. Practice saying these greetings with different tones. Smile when you speak because people can hear smiles in your voice. When you meet someone, tell them your name. My name is, or I'm, are both correct and natural ways. I'm from tells people your country or city. For example, I'm from Japan or I'm from New York City. I work as explains your job simply. I'm a teacher or I work in a restaurant are clear answers. I study is good for students to use. I study English or I study at the university works perfectly. Keep your introduction short and simple first. You can share more details later when the conversation develops and grows. Questions help you learn about other people easily. What's your name? Is the most basic question to ask first. Where are you from? Shows interest in someone. People like talking about their home country or city proudly. What do you do? Asks about their job. This is common small talk that helps you know someone better. Do you like is great for hobbies. Do you like music? Do you like movies? These create friendly conversations. Remember to listen carefully to their answers. Good listeners make the best conversation partners and friends in life. I like and I don't like are super useful. Everyone uses these phrases in daily English conversations all the time. I love shows strong positive feelings about something. I love pizza is stronger than I like pizza for sure. I hate is very strong negative feeling. I don't like is more polite than I hate in most situations. My favorite tells people what you like best. My favorite food is, my favorite movie is, are common phrases. Use these phrases to share your personality. People connect better when they know what you enjoy and prefer. Would you like to is a polite invitation. Would you like to have coffee? Sounds friendly and not pushy. Let's suggest doing something together happily. Let's go to the park or let's watch a movie are natural. What time? Asks about meeting times clearly. Where? Asks about the meeting place. These questions help make plans. That sounds great! Shows you're excited about plans. I'd love to. Also shows positive feelings about invitations. Making plans in English gets easier with practice. Start with simple activities like coffee or lunch meetings. I need tells people what's necessary for you. I need help or I need directions are important emergency phrases. I want expresses desires and wishes clearly. I want to learn English or I want some water are simple. Can I have is polite for asking, can I have a menu? Or can I have your phone number? Could you help me? Is very polite. People usually say yes when you ask this way nicely and respectfully. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Most people are happy to assist when you ask politely. Sorry or I'm sorry fixes small mistakes. Use this when you bump into someone or make errors. Excuse me gets attention politely before asking questions. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Is the right way. Thank you and thanks show appreciation always. Say this when people help you or give you something nice. You're welcome is the polite response to thanks. No problem is also common and sounds friendly and casual. Politeness opens doors in English-speaking countries. These magic words make every conversation go better and smoother. I don't understand is honest and helpful. People will speak slower or use different words to help you. Can you repeat that? Ask someone to say something again. This is normal and people don't mind repeating. What does mean? Helps you learn new words. People usually enjoy explaining words to English learners like you. How do you say? Lets you ask for vocabulary. Point to objects or use your phone translator for help. Don't pretend to understand when you don't. Asking questions shows you want to learn and communicate better. It was nice talking to you ends conversations politely. This shows you enjoyed meeting the person very much. I have to go or I need to leave explains why you're finishing. This sounds natural and not rude. See you later suggests you'll meet again soon. Goodbye or bye are simple ways to finish any conversation. Have a good day. Wishes someone well nicely. People usually say you too. Back to you as response. End conversations on a positive note always. This leaves a good impression and opens doors for future meetings. Listen to these conversations in your head first. Practice the phrases out loud when you're alone at home. Start with one conversation topic each day slowly. Don't try to learn everything at once or you'll feel overwhelmed. Use a mirror to practice speaking expressions. Watch your mouth move and practice smiling while you speak English. Record yourself saying these phrases on your phone. Listen back and compare to native speakers you hear online. Find English conversation partners online or locally. Practice makes perfect and real conversations teach you the most. Don't translate directly from your native language. English has its own patterns and ways of saying things naturally. Don't speak too fast when you're nervous. Slow, clear English is better than fast, unclear English every time. Don't worry about perfect grammar right now. Communication is more important than perfect sentences for beginners learning. Don't give up after making mistakes today. Every mistake teaches you something new about English conversation skills. Remember that native speakers make mistakes too. Focus on communicating your message clearly and don't stress about perfection. Start conversations with people who are patient. Family, friends, and teachers are good people to practice with safely. Practice the same conversations many times until comfortable. Repetition helps your brain remember the patterns and phrases naturally. Join online English conversation groups for beginners. Everyone there is learning too, so you won't feel alone or embarrassed. Celebrate small successes every day you practice. Each conversation makes you stronger and more confident in English speaking. Set small goals like, today I'll greet 3 people, or I'll ask 1 question. Small steps lead to big progress. Today you learned the building blocks of English conversation. These phrases will help you in many real-life situations. Remember to practice a little bit every day. Even 5 minutes of conversation practice makes a big difference over time. Be patient with yourself as you learn slowly. Everyone learns at their own pace, and that's perfectly okay and normal. Thank you for practicing English conversations with me today. Keep talking, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.